we got your package, so thanks for the Bible. Now, this is Ina's little shopper, and we're going to show her all the toys. This is an orange, and you flip it open. Okay? It's the easiest orange you'll ever peel. See, Munkins? And then you have your farm fresh milk. Let's see. It's a rattle, but it's also a mirror. Who's that? That's Monkeys. And you close your milk, Monkey. See your milk? Okay. Here's your banana. You peel them. You want to see your banana? Hold your banana. That's how we make your banana puff. Mmm. Okay. Then we have your little lettuce. Okay. And then we have a tomato. Isn't it fun? Do you like it? Oh. Okay, let's put them back in. This is what you're going to shop for in the future. All healthy things. And then you take your little shopping bag and you hold it like big girls do. Hold your shopping bag. Okay.